Hello, my name is Chef David Rose, live and direct from the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. Today we'll be cooking with the induction stovetop, which is an amazing electric component that is awesome for cooking. It's really efficient. It uses 80% of the power to actually conserve that heat. So that's only 20% as opposed to other cooking methods where it's a lot less. So you know where your money's going, and it's going in the pan where it should be. That also helps with heat. So it keeps a cooler kitchen, a more efficient kitchen, and a more profitable kitchen, so I'm all in. We're going to make today a pan-seared scallop. We're gonna do that with a hash. I like to call it a Georgia hash, because all these ingredients you can find in the great state of Georgia. In there we're gonna have Vidalia onions, garlic, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, corn, and a little bit of bacon, because why not? Bacon is delicious. And to tie it all together, to invoke even more of that Georgia spirit, we're gonna be doing a Georgia peach beurre blanc. We haven't even started cooking yet, but I can already taste it in my mouth, so let's jump right into it.